Spectraline. Used and approved by more OEMs than any other brand. When tough leaks have you baffled, turn to the brand that more AC&R service professionals trust than all the others combined. Spectraline. Spectraline fluorescent dyes are the safest, most concentrated, and versatile in the industry. That means you don't have to worry about voiding warranties. You'll use less dye per dose and won't have to carry a multitude of different SKUs. Unlike competitive dye companies, Spectraline offers an assortment of AC&R dye injection methods designed to fit every system application, workload, and budget. Multi-dose EasyJect and Big Easy dye injectors easily overcome system pressure and are ideal for treating everything, from small to large AC&R systems. Single-dose glow stick dye capsules are perfect when a technician prefers adding refrigerant and fluorescent dye to a system in one step. Spectraline leak detection lamps are compact, powerful, and budget-friendly. And they're designed to work in tandem with our dyes for a brilliant fluorescent response every time. In addition to our dyes and lamps, Spectraline offers specialized service products to give you an edge on the competition. Cool Seal Leak Sealer is ideal for sealing small, pesky leaks and can add years to older, out-of-warranty AC&R systems. Acid Buster Acid Scavenging Solution eliminates acid buildup in an AC&R system, extending compressor life. It's twice as concentrated as competitive brands.